I'm going to use this file again, Karel the robot in Excel, picking up from functions and if statements, and we're going to demonstrate using the debugger. So when I come back here, I'm going to say edit. I have several windows open. I'm going to close them. I don't want anything open but this main code window. So I'm just going to close it all. I'm going to hit the Windows key and right arrow so I can see Karel over here and I can see my code on the right. I'm going to come in this middle column and put a stop right there, and then I'm going to put a stop right here. So maybe I'll put a stop right here instead. Okay, so I'm going to say reset Karel, run macro. It goes into the stop sign. Left is clear. It didn't turn left, so that must have been false. For some reason it does a weird thing if you shift F8 there, but now what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit shift F8 once. So shift F8, and it didn't go into this function, but it came right down to here. Now here we want to step into this one. So shift F8 is right here, debug, shift F8, and F8. Okay, so we're going to say F8 this time. So I'm going to hit just the F8 key. You see it came down to this. And now it's going to say turn left. Oops, I meant to hit shift F8. So now I want to say shift F8 for the next. Shift F8 and then shift F8. And you see Karel turned left 3 times, which is a right. In sub, if I hit F8, it's back at the end if, and then he moves. Oops, I'll just hit run here. You don't want to see all that. See that? Reset Karel, run macro. So take that off, run. We can say shift F8, shift F8, shift F8, shift F8, shift F8, shift F8. And that's how you do the debugger. You can also just hit run, and you can do it from the menus. Step into, step over. You want to do step over unless you want to observe what's going on inside the next function. That's step into, which is F8. Otherwise hit shift F8. Okay, that's it.